Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati. The last practical of Windows Server 2016, we have installed the DFS management distributed file system, and we have already created the DFS in our member server. There are two server, our server 2016 as well as our member server. So we have decided that create a member server and install the DFS server on that member server, and we have installed the DFS and created the namespace, that is the namespace, the this is our domain, this is the namespace folder sales1 as well as sales2. We have seen the last practical from here, and we have already accessed that server namespace by us.com sales, and we have already created that folder on sales2 on last practical. Now the today's practical is to create the replication, how that data of sales2 automatically copy on sales1. Sales1 folder is located on the system1 means server 2016, and sales2 is our member servers folder. So our practical basis or the DFS is the backup of the data automatically to member server to our main server. So let's start for new practical for replication. And first, for replication, there are so we are trying to replicate from sales2 to sales1. Okay, so click on here sales2, then add the folder target. The folder target is our sales system1. Then enter our administrator password of system1, means our DC. Now we get the system1, and system1 our path is sales1, that we have to replicate the data from sales2 to sales1. Okay, now create the OK. The replication group can be used to keep this folder targets. Do you want to create replication group? Yes. Now it takes some time to creating the replication. So it's showing the process that working. Collect the folder target information for one to two items. You can also. Okay, now this is the replicated folder name is sales2 and destination is sales1. Then next, primary server is, now select the folder that contains the content you want to replicate to folder target. So sys2 is right now our primary, because this is the host server that we have installed the replicated the DFS that we have installed. So this is our primary server, and this is the define the different type of topology, that connection among the members of replication. So you have already learned about the topology in your network practicals. There are different types: bus topology, ring topology, full mesh topology, no topology. Okay, there is no in no topology, but you can this full mesh topology is a very for complicated network. You can see that in this topology each member replicates with all other members of the replication group. This topology works well when there are 10 or fewer members in the replication group. हिसाब से एक से ज़्यादा मेंबर सर्वर होते हैं तो आप फुल मैश टोपोलॉजी का यूज़ कर सकते हैं, यानी इससे सबसे बेस्ट है. Here you can also select the depends on how much bandwidth you have to set. So we have selected the full bandwidth. Next and create. So now you have successfully completed the replicator folder. Then one notice the size of staging folder quota large enough to prevent the application from slowing or stopping. You must take into account the size of the folder to be replicated. So first, replication will not begin until the configuration pick up the members of the replication group. The amount of time takes depends on the Active Directory domain services replication latency. So it takes some time to replicate the data. So this is the process. If you want to stop, then you can click on the stop replicating folder. Okay, so this is the our replication folder. Now we check the return. Firstly, close this and first refresh the our system 2 that we host the DFS. We created the DFS namespace and replication. So first you have to refresh that server. This is our replication. First, this is our namespace. Namespace contain the folders, and this is our replication that we have created from cells 2 to cells, migrate data from cells 2 to cells 1. So now we can also refresh the server from this side. Now you can check that the cells 1 folder is located here, D drive of the system 1. Still the folder is showing not data. I think it takes some time. The cells 2, this data need to copy automatically here, but still not coming, so we have to wait some time. Now we can see on our member server, and here access2.com cells, first data is cells 2 sf2 sab, and now the data is coming here. So replication process next start. Now we can create with another folder on sales2, something like a bitmap image. Now access the server. Sales2, there are 5. Now check here. Now you can see that now the data is working properly for the synchronization from sales2 to sales1. So this is the practical of sales2. This is our practical of the DFS replications. So hope you guys like this video, and this is our end of that practical of the DFS replication as well as namespace. So we will do the next practical on the next week. So do subscribe my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati and bell the press icon for the notifications. Thanks for the day.